Alright, we are going to be reviewing this one. This is the Wet n Wild multi-stick. Come on, focus. Anyway, you do not want to focus. Anyway, we're going to open it. And guess what this color is? A champagne room is champagne room. This is the champagne room. Wet n Wild multi-stick. So we're going to open it up. There's some ASMR for you. Alright, I bet you're wondering what the skinny one was. This is the Wet n Wild breakup proof. Yeah, breakup proof. Ultra black Noah. It's like a little pen. It has 0.1 millimeter. So that's pretty accurate. So we're just gonna apply some right here. It's just gonna create like a little outline. Right here. Just creating a little cat eye. There's nothing to it. See? There's nothing to it. Like I said earlier. There's nothing to it. But y'all thought there was something to it, but no, there's really nothing to it. Okay, let's go in a little deeper, okay? And I know the lighting in here is horrible. But anyway. Here we are. And now we're going to try the multi-stick right here. It's the multi-stick. Why are my eyes all over the place? Gosh. Anyway, I'm going to do it right here. Just going to apply some. I wonder how it's going to look. I think it might just look glittery for the most part because it's like basically the same color of my skin. Oh wait, so anyway, we're going to add some right here. This should make the eyelid things look a bit more glittery than last time. Let's see. Hold on, before, I mean. Yeah, this should make my eyelids look more glittery than before. Alright, so I'm just going to add them on here. And this is not like really effective because same color my skin for one, but anyway, it's kind of making my eyelid look glittery, but not too cartoonish, so that's good. It's not like an overly cartoonish color, you know. It's not like a really bright pigmented color, so that's really good. It looks like it's just like naturally looking like I put like some glitter on my eyelids, so that's pretty cool, isn't it now? It is now. Okay, it is. Wait, I like how this is in a gel, so the glitter doesn't get all over the place. So I like that. This is the multi-stick, by the way. Champagne Room. That's the color of it. And I like how it doesn't get over the place because I don't like glitter getting all over the place. I like it being stationary. It's always been a thing for me, you know? You know, like, even when I was like, what? 5 or 6 years old? I did not like glitter getting all over the place, you know? The contamination of it all, you know. So this is good, that's just stationary. I love it. Alright. Just gonna add this right here. Dun, dun, dun. Alright. It's kind of difficult to get on. Alright, looks like some leaks right here. But that's alright, we can get away with it. Let me try to make my eyes look bigger. Alright, let's add some right here. Alright, let's go add some right here too. Like under the eyelid. This is like a very professional looking makeup. So yeah, Champagne's really, definitely high quality. Alright, really good, very good. Yesterday my older sister looked into my makeup bag again, checking the stuff out. She said I have more eyeliner than her. That was so funny. Alright. I thanked her for her review. Anyway, let's see. Awesome. That's looking pretty, good. She also saw my pink lipstick and she said, oh, you like pink? How funny. And then I was like, yeah, she was like, I thought you like dark colors. And then I'm like, no, I like that one too. My other sister's like, black pink. Yeah. Darks and blacks. Darks and brights. Alright. That looks pretty cool. This is pretty much a good job. Why did it get so dark? Gosh. I don't know, just checking if there was a storm rolling in. We had a lot of storms in Florida. Non-stop. Alright, so that looks pretty cool. Oh no, look at here I got. There's like an eyelash hair right here. Alright. Anyway. Whoa. Stay. Can't let that camera fall, it's too expensive. It was like $52, gosh. It was like $59. Alright, we gotta put this right here. Back into the bag. Alright. And this is the eyelash... No, the eyeliner... What is it called? Eyeliner. Eyeliner. Yeah, it's called eyeliner. We're gonna use this to, like, highlight this part, okay? We're just gonna go right here. Ooh, did I just draw my eye? That's cool. Just add some right here. Alright, that's cool. Guess what? We're also gonna post this one on YouTube. Because we can. Alright, that's awesome. That's right here. Awesome. Let's go create a really big eye look, I guess. I don't know. It just does. Alright. Awesome. Now we're going to add some little eyelash things, I guess. Let's bring over the swing light. Alright, let's not bring it over because it's difficult to bring over. You know what? Let's go open a little window. Okay, we opened a little window, and now things are getting brighter in here. So now you can see my handiwork a little more. Awesome. Okay, add some right here. Guys all over the place. Weird. Anyway. Let's go add some right here. I know you're thinking, wait, why are you adding some right there? Because we can. Also, it's going to create a nice outline. Oh yeah, nice outline. Awesome. And I'm going to create a nice outline right here too. It's like a felt lined eyeliner. It's not like a pencil. Pencil would be too hard. Alright. Awesome. Now I'm going to add some Okay, we're going to add some right here. And I said fa TikTok. I did not say the F word. I said fa. Because I know you like to ban me TikTok over nonsense, so I did not say fa. I mean, I said fa, not the F word, okay? Alright. That's cleared. I'm going to finish up right here. Oh no, this felt is kind of like getting... It's getting a bit... faded. Alright. That looks pretty good. Oh, this part's too big right here, so I'm just going to make it symmetrical. Awesome. Let's do the same thing right here. You know what? I think it's time for some liquid eyeliner. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. God. Alright, there it is. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's make those eyelashes thicker. Alright. I was wondering if my eye can handle the thickness, and then I touched my upper eyelid. The brush. Alright. Awesome. It looks like you can handle the thickness. Good job. Like a lot of the times, you can't handle the thickness, but it looks like it's handling the thickness pretty well. Alright. Awesome. Thanks for joining, and thanks for viewing. I appreciate it. Till next time.